He keeps bothering me. Hi. I don't know if you guys could hear him, but he's purring really loudly right now. Oh, okay. Anyway, I'm currently just getting ready to head out to yoga. I haven't been to yoga in nearly 2 months, which is very unlike me. I usually have gone very often in the past, but since I moved to my new apartment, I haven't really found a studio that I really like and that made me consistently go. So I'm trying out a new studio in the Kirkland area, so hopefully I like that place and I'll be committed to go more often, because yoga is actually like makes me feel really good afterwards always. So let's go and check it out. I'll try my best. Yes, to make this. For dinner today, we have mapo tofu, which Matt made for the first time. And this was my contribution, broccoli side dish.
That looks good too.
It is good, I already tasted it. We also have, what kind of cucumbers? Kimchi is this?
What?
Is it kimchi?
No, it's Din Tai Fung cucumbers.
Oh, Din Tai Fung cucumbers.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This view is probably the best view you could get in the Seattle area, and I always wanted to sit here, but it's been packed. Today it's Monday, so I guess it's not as busy, so I finally get this seating area. It's really nice. If you guys haven't tried it, I highly recommend getting watermelon juice. I specifically like this brand. It's the Evolution Fresh one. It's just really refreshing during the summertime, and you can find it at Safeway or Target. That's where I usually find this brand. It's currently 8:30 right now, and I told myself that I'm gonna take some time tonight to organize my closet. You would think that I'm someone that's very organized, which I am in certain ways, but I feel like I'm messy. I probably am messy. I just don't like to admit it. But yeah, let me just show you guys how my closet looks like right now. So here is my closet. Kind of embarrassing showing you guys how messy it is, but as you could see, I just shove everything anywhere. So yeah, as you guys could see, it's very messy right now, and it's kind of hard to admit that I'm messy in public. For me, I feel like I just use drawers and closets as a storage place, so I just shove everything in there. I don't care where things are. I just don't want it to be in plain sight, because as long as like everything else looks clean, then it's fine for me, and I don't really tend to care about the closets or drawers, but this is kind of getting unmanageable, so I really need to start organizing. Also, I'm vlogging this to hold myself accountable because it's been like this for maybe the past couple months. I don't even know. So let's go. Good morning. I'm currently just getting ready to head into the office for the oh, sorry. I'm very clumsy. But yeah, I'm just getting ready to head into the office real quick. I have a lot of meetings today. I already had 2 out of the 5 meetings here at home, and then the rest, they're more like team-based meetings, and also I have a one-on-one with my manager. So I'm gonna head into the office, not only because of the meetings, but also because return to office is mandated, so I have to go in. Anyway, let's get going. Finished work for the day. Now we're exploring Matt's new neighborhood. He moved here recently. And then we're gonna have pizza later, right?
Yes.
And then we'll have pizza.
How about that?
This is so good. I'm currently working on a code review, and of course I modified one line of code and now my unit tests are failing, and I'm writing in a new coding language that I haven't used before for this project, so there's a lot of nuances that I don't know about yet, so I'm just trying to debug why my one unit test is failing. Also, for some quick updates with work, I'm kind of in between 2 different projects right now, so I'm spending most of my time just balancing out the different tasks that I have for each of these projects, and on top of that I'm getting onboarded to a 3rd project just because one of the first ones we're trying to wrap that one up, so it's kind of a lot. I did join this team just a few months ago and I'm still considered new, and a lot of the projects that I'm on, I feel like it's a lot of new initiatives, so there isn't a lot of execution tasks, and when I say execution task I mean code reviews, so it's a bit different than what I'm usually used to, but yeah, I guess it is what it is, and just gotta figure out this bug for now. So look who's back, it's Hannah. Taking a small lunch break now. I just ended up getting something from the market downstairs because I really want to save some time and fix my code. A lame sandwich for lunch. 달콤 바삭 크롱지.
No, don't do that.
What?
Where you make up words. I know what you're doing.
I'm not making up
You're
words.
making stuff up now.
달콤 바삭. 달콤 means sweet, 바삭 means
Do you want
crunchy.
avocado taco thing?
I I think he wants a snack before I head out.